Okay, so I am going to go over some project broadcast tips today. And the first thing we're going to do is we are going to log into your workstation and we're going to export our contacts. Now, we want to export them as a CSV, and I haven't done this in a little bit, so let me see if I can remember how to do it. Okay, so I'm not going to flip you around yet because I don't want my customers' contact information to be all over YouTube. So I am logged in. I am on the contacts homepage, and I'm going to click the button. Let me do this right here. Let's see. It says export to Excel. So I'm going to click that. It is currently downloading. And let's see if that automatically did it as a CSV for us. And then I logged into my project broadcast. What's really cool about this, let me flip you around again. They have this Web School Ninja. So when you do the Web School Ninja or the training videos, you will earn free credits towards your project broadcast account. So those credits can be used to send out your messages to your customers. So now let's see. And this is a new update for Project Broadcast since the last time I did it. So this is my first time walking everybody through. And again, I don't want to share any of my information. So I logged in, I clicked on audience, and then I clicked on contacts. And now there's a little plus button up in the top. I'm going to click. Don't mind all my boxes in the background. I'm prepping for an event this weekend. I'm going to click that little plus button. Oh, no, I'm not. There we go. Okay. That button. And we're going to import our contacts, which is something that I needed to do anyways because I've had a lot more contacts since the last time I've imported mine. What did it download as? Export.zip. So let's see if I can find it. There we go. So I'm going to click on import new users and update existing users. So this will update. I know for a fact I have a couple contacts in here whose address is no longer correct because they've moved. So I'm going to click on import new users and update existing users. And then scrolling down to the bottom. And then I'm going to click on import. Phone number mapping is required. All right, let's click on that. Okay, let's see if this works right. An error occurred. Okay. Let's get rid of this. Let's try this again. Okay. An error occurred. A quote is found inside a field at line 2. What is line 2? Don't know. Okay, so once you get your contacts imported, then I can show you what I do from here. So you have this chat, spaces, audience, contacts, configurable forms, tags. This one is really cool. These are the different tags I have set up for my customers. I'm trying to not show their names. So I have customer. This is where all of my customers are going to be. And then I have them broken down into like Disney, people that I met at my events, people who completely filled out my event form, flash sale. Like I need to update a couple of these tags. I have my hosts, people who are interested in Nightmare Before Christmas, people who are interested in just seasonal. So I only message these people when there's a flash sale or when there's a new catalog change. And then I have Star Wars, Stitch, my VIP. They want to know about everything. So they get text messages every week for our new drops. And then I have my Harry Potter people. But automation is what I do for our flash sales. So you have campaigns, which is really good for doing customer follow-up, which is something that I plan on implementing hopefully this month. Then we have our keywords. So keywords is like, for this flash sale, anyone who wanted a reminder, I had them text me the keyword reminder, and then this will automatically send them a reminder tag. Or reminder text. So we have to set that up. But for the initial text, I clicked on schedule, and then I clicked on this little plus button up here. And that brings you this box. So in this message, I typed in all of the information that I wanted everybody to know about the flash sale. And you want to use what's called dynamic fields. So dynamic fields is how you make it seem customizable to each person. One thing I love about Project Broadcast is I send one message. I compose one message in that little box. But because I click on dynamic field, I'll say something like, OMG dynamic field, and it'll have their first name. So it looks like I'm texting that person by themselves. So it'll say, OMG Kelly, there's going to be a Freaky Friday flash sale. I'm so excited. If you want a reminder for the sale at 1 o'clock on Friday, comment the word reminder below. And then every single person that commented the word reminder, they got added to my reminder list. And I also made them a shopping link. So I sent that personal shopping link message reply right away. And then the keyword will be set up to automatically text them a reminder. Okay, so we typed in our message. We hit dynamic field. I'm only using their first name. If you were doing like a last name, like Mr. or Dr. So-and-so or a company, but I'm just going to do first name and click the little check mark. And then you type your message. Well, hang on. Let me actually type a message real quick. And use two hands to type. So, OMG. It's a Freaky Friday flash sale. Sale starts 1 p.m. Eastern on Friday. If you'd like a text before the sale, reply reminder. Okay, now this next part is really important. You're going to click. Oh, you can also add a photo. So I added the text I sent earlier had tips for a successful queue. And then you want to click on this light bulb. This light bulb is going to tell you how likely your message is to be delivered and read. So it says words in all caps may decrease your deliverability. Use them sparingly. And using salesy language may decrease deliverability. Use it sparingly. But it likes that it's a small message. It likes that I use dynamic fields to make each message unique and personal. And they couldn't find any shortened URLs in your message. So always click that little light bulb, because if you're in like the orange or the red, your people aren't going to receive your messages. Sometimes I'm in the little bit of the yellow because my messages can be a little bit lengthy occasionally, but you want to try and stay in the green. And then you'll add your contacts. So from here, you can click on, let's see, you can click on this little tag. And if I wanted to click on customer and send it to all 228 of my customers, I would click the little box to the right over here and then click the check mark again. And then down here at the bottom, I can click on add all. And then confirm if I want to add them. And then that's going to send the text message all of my people. Now from here, I can choose a date and time to schedule it. So if you don't set up that keyword for it to automatically send it, you can schedule it to go out at a later date. So had I done this last night, I could have scheduled it for today at 12 o'clock added the people who wanted a reminder, and it would have automatically sent out today at 12 o'clock. But I'm actually going to get rid of this whole thing because I already sent it all. I am by no means a Project Broadcast pro yet, but it has been extremely helpful in my business, being able to send stuff to everybody. I currently pay for 500 credits a month, which is about $18. But the last flash sale we had, I got enough orders just from people that I contacted via Project Broadcast to pay for my Project Broadcast for 9 months. So that's like a no-brainer for me. I also use this at my events. So there's a way you can set up a configurable form, which for me, that's how I collect everybody's contact information now. I've done a lot of events where I can't read the people's handwriting by the time I get home. So then I have no way of contacting them. I've had their mail returned to my house. I've had their phone numbers be written down wrong. So now I take all of that guesswork out, and they scan a QR code in my booth. I set up questions to ask them. I have them tell me if they're interested in hosting a party, interested in joining, the different categories they want to be added to, like if they want to be added to my VIP or just my flash sales, or if they want to just be seasonal people. Then I have all of that information right there, and it automatically puts them in their tags that I have set up. So that's a really cool feature through Project Broadcast. And if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below, and I will try and help out as much as I can. Have a good day.